In this section, we will solve question based on 2D. So the question is, let I be the line which is normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus x plus 2 at point P on the curve. If the point Q lies on the line I and O is the origin, then the area of the triangle OPQ is equal to. So to find the area of this triangle, firstly draw a graph of this problem. So the graph of this problem is this. So in this graph, the equation of the curve represent a parabola and P whose coordinate are suppose h comma k and point Q is given. So this is point Q whose coordinate are 6 comma 4 and O is origin whose coordinate are always 0 comma 0. So we have to find the area of this triangle OPQ. So since the equation of the curve is y is equal to 2x square plus x plus 2. So to find the slope of the tangent of this curve, firstly differentiate with respect to x. Then this will become dy over dx. Differentiation of x square is 2x. So this will become 4x and differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of 2 is 0. So at point P, the slope of this curve will be, for this put x equal to h in this expression, then slope of tangent of the given curve at point P is 4h plus 1 and then this is the line I and then the slope of the normal line I will be slope of the normal line I at the same point P will be minus 1 by 4h plus 1 because suppose m1 is the slope of tangent and m2 is the slope of normal at the same point, then relation between m1 and m2 is minus 1 by m2. Therefore the slope of normal line will be minus 1 by 4h plus 1. Now the equation of the line I whose slope is minus 1 by 4h plus 1 and passing through the point P will be by minus by coordinate, that is k is equal to slope minus 1 by 4h plus 1 x minus x coordinate, that is h. Now rewrite this equation, then y minus k 4h plus 1 plus x minus equal to 0. Consider this is equation first. Since the line is also passing through the point Q, so in this equation put x equal to 6 and y equal to 4. Therefore 4 minus k 4h plus 1 plus 6 minus h is equal to 0. Consider this is equation second. Now since this parabola is passing through the point P, therefore the coordinate of the point will satisfy this equation. So put x equal to h and y equal to k in this equation, then this will become k is equal to 2 h square plus h plus 2. So in place of k in this equation second, put this value, this expression. Then equation second will become 4 minus 2h square minus h minus 2 and 4h plus 1 plus 6 minus h is equal to 0 as it is. Now on solving further, we will get 4 minus 2 is 2 minus 2h square minus h 4h plus 1 plus 6 minus h is equal to 0. Again solving further. Now multiply this expression with this. Then we will get 8h plus 2 minus 8h cube minus 2h square minus 4h square minus h plus 6 minus h as it is equal to 0. Now simplifying further, write the highest term first. So this will minus 8h cube. Now minus 4h square and minus 2h square will be minus 6h square and minus h minus s minus 2h. So 8h minus 2h will be plus 6h and constant term are plus 2 and plus 6 will be plus 8 is equal to 0. Now on multiplying this both side minus 2, we will get 4h cube plus 3h square minus 3 minus 3h minus 4 is equal to 0. So to find the value of h, use hit and trial method, that is check for h equal to 1. Now putting h equal to 1, we will get 4 1 cube plus 3 1 square minus 3 1 minus 4 is equal to 0 or not. Now this will become, now right here, this will become 4 plus 3 minus 3 minus 4 is equal to 0. So the value h equal to 1 is correct. That means the value of h is equal to 1. Now in this value, in this equation, suppose this is third, put the value of h, that is h equal to 1. Then this will become k is equal to 2 1 plus 1 plus 2, that is k is equal to 5. So find the coordinate of the point P will be 1, 5. Now so this is the triangle. Consider, and point P is 1, 5 and point Q is given whose coordinate are 6, 4 and origin is 0, 0. So we have to find the area of this triangle. Since suppose this is rough triangle ABC, the coordinate of A is x1 by 1 suppose, and coordinate of B is x2 by 2 and coordinate of C is x3 by 3. Now the formula for finding the area of this triangle is area of triangle ABC will be 1 by 2 1 1 1 coordinate x1 by 1 x2 by 2 x3 by 3. This is 3 cross 3 determinant. So this is the formula for finding area. In the same way, the area of the triangle OPQ will be of triangle OPQ is 1 by 2 1 1 1. Now coordinates are 1 5. Similarly 6 4 and 0 0. On solving further, this will become 1 by 2. Now skip this row and this column and write 1 and multiply 6 and 0, then 0 minus multiply 4 and 0 0. Now write minus 1, and similarly this will become 0 minus 4 and this will become plus 5. Skip this column, this row, this will become 0 minus 6. Now on solving further, we will get area of triangle OPQ is equal to 1 by 2. Now this is 0, 4 and this is minus 30. This is 4 and this is minus 30 is equal to minus 26 by 2, that is minus 30. Since area cannot be negative, so neglect minus sign. So area of triangle OPQ is 13 square units. So it is the required answer. Thank you.